Hey, oh
Whoa.
my God.
Suckers.
Open that up.
Look at all the money in the phone too.
Bam.
Wow, full to the top, dude. Much easier.
Hey, oh
Whoa.
my God.
Suckers.
Open that up.
Look at all the money in the phone too.
Bam.
Wow, full to the top, dude.
Jackpot, baby.
Oh,
Wow.
woo.
Was it actually full to the complete top?
Yeah.
Jeez, that's
The
gotta
money
be
is
like,
still in the phone there.
oh my God, that's gotta be like
See
50
this
bucks
plate
and
right
change.
here, we're still holding it.
Yeah.
There's something on the top there.
Wow, look at
Look
that.
at this money in here,
Want to dump the rest out really quick?
down in the thing.
Man, that thing was overflowing with money. All right, what do you think? I think there's like 50 bucks right there.
I'll say 70.
70?
Yeah, I mean, 40s is $1. Might be 100. See, if this had dollar bills in it, we couldn't do that because it would burn them up. All the sparks would have lit. Hey, still have money in there. Dude,
Jeez.
money down inside here. It's coming out of the cracks.
Looks like I was wrong. We have easily over $100 right here. Want to do a tally up really quick?
Yep, we got these in rows of $5. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 100.
Wow.
126 plus whatever's in this small change.
Yeah, we kind of gave up after counting these quarters for 10 minutes, but that is insane.
Out of
I can't
a
believe.
payphone.
Yeah, I can't believe that much money was just left abandoned in a payphone.
Right.